Hi, I'm Kristen at Newport Dermatology and Plastic Surgery, and today we're going to be doing an IPL treatment. The IPL is an intense pulse laser, which we use for commonly the face, neck, and the chest to help even out pigmentation, brown spots, broken blood vessels, and even the flushed look often associated with rosacea. So typically before we get started, we'll apply a numbing cream just to help make this process a little bit more comfortable. And then a numbing cream isn't necessary, but the treatment itself does feel like kind of a warm snap. And so we've already gone ahead and applied that numbing cream today. So after your IPL treatment, we don't expect any real downtime. You might be mildly pink for a couple of days, and then any pigmented lesions typically will darken and gently flake off over the next 7 to 10 days or so. So how was your treatment today, Jen?
It was awesome. Thank you.
Perfect. So just make sure to follow us at Newport Beach Dermatology and Plastic Surgery. We're on social media on Snapchat, Facebook, and Instagram.